Marhaba wa ahla wa sahla, quick conjugation video today. Let's jump right in. So today we're conjugating the verb to eat in the past. So I ate, you ate, etc. in Arabic, bil Arabi. So I ate, ana akalt. You ate, you masculine ate, inta akalt. And what do we notice here? The ana and the inta are the same. They're conjugated the same way. Ana akalt, inta akalt. This can be applied to all past tense verbs bil Arabi. Okay, so ana akalt, inta akalt. Ana ruht, inta ruht. I and you masculine are the same. Quick tip for you guys. Okay, you ate, inti akalti, he ate, huwa akal, she ate, hiya aklat, or akalat in Fusha, but we're not doing Fusha or MSA, we're doing dialect Arabic here, how things sound in dialect Arabic. So we ate, ihna akalna, you all ate, you plural ate, into akaltu, they ate, humme akalu. Okay, so ana akalt, inta akalt, inti akalti. Now you could group all these three together, all the you, and if you're new to Arabic, we make a distinction between the you masculine and the you feminine. In many languages, you is just you, regardless of whom we're talking to, but in Arabic, we make a distinction. If I'm talking to a man, if I'm talking to a woman, if I'm talking to a male or female, the conjugation changes. Okay, so inta akalt, inti akalti, huwa akal. But what I was saying is we can group these three together because they're the three different types of yous. You masculine, inta akalt. You feminine, inti akalti. You all, into akaltu. Okay, huwa akal, hiya akalat, or aklat. They ate, humme akalu. Tamam? Ihna akalna. We have the similar, like when we say ihna, it's gonna rhyme. Akalna. Okay? Into akaltu. Inti akalti. Easy way for you guys to remember. Tamam? How you can use this? You can start making conversations ASAP with this verb. It's super useful, super common. You can ask someone, what did you eat? How do we say what? كيف بنقول what بالعربي? Easy. If you're a beginner, شو. If you're a beginner, make sure to check out. There's a 5 W's video, short video here. Also, if you're a beginner, there's a free mini course in the description to give you an idea of the different types of Arabic. So, shu, and if I'm talking to a male, shu inta akalt. With time, I can start dropping the pronouns because each pronoun, as you guys saw, is conjugated differently, with the exception of I and you masculine. So it's not like English, where in English, I ate, you ate, she ate. Everything's ate, so I need the pronoun. In Arabic, we technically can stop dropping the pronoun once we get to more advanced levels. The only reason I kind of encourage beginner students to keep using the pronouns is for them to remember the pronouns. And once you can recite the pronouns in your sleep and you remember them, you can drop them. So, what did you eat? Shu akalt, or shu inta akalt, to a female. Shu inti akalti, or simply with time you can just say shu akalti, shu akalti. And that's how we usually do. Shu akalti, shu akalt, to a guy. Shu akalu, what did they eat? So just literally using shu, which is what in Levantine Arabic, and different types of Arabic as well. There's shu, and the verb itself. Tamam? We don't have what did you eat. We don't do the structure when we're using the past tense, when we're asking a question in English. What did you eat? You need the verb to do, and you need to change the past tense to the present tense. So it's not what you ate. It's like what did you eat? We're going back to the present tense, which could be confusing for beginners. But in Arabic, however, even though the conjugation might be a little more, there's more to it, but the structure in spoken Arabic is very straightforward. I ate, and then ana akalt, and then I didn't eat, ana ma akalt. And then if I'm asking a question, shu akalt. However, in English, you're saying, I ate, but if you ask someone, you want to ask them what they ate, you're going to be like, shu akalt. What did you eat? Look at that structure. What did, using the verb to do, and then eat goes back to the present tense. Confusing. Same thing when you use the negation in English with the past tense. So I did not eat. Okay? In Arabic, khalas. Same thing. Akalt, use it for negation, use it for asking questions, things like that. So back to this. We need to know some of our question or demonstrative, interrogative words like what. We also know where, which is when. When akalt, where did you eat? When akaltu, where did you all eat? Okay? We also know emta. Again, this is all spoken Arabic, not MSA. MSA would be like meta, for example. So some of these words differ. Okay? And the pronunciation obviously will change. And if you don't know what MSA is, again, there's a free mini course in the description that explains to you the different types of Arabic. فyou can ask like شو أكلت, and then وين أكلت, and then إمتى أكلت, and then you can change the conjugation depending who you're talking to. صح? Correct? Right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can literally start making conversation. So I want you guys to literally recite and say أنا أكلت burger, أنا أكلت فلافل. Then ask someone شو أكلتوا? What did you eat? And they're gonna say إحنا, we ate, إحنا أكلنا spaghetti, إحنا أكلنا منسف, إحنا أكلنا ملوخية, so on and so forth. تمام? So let me know if you guys found this helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, make a comment, give me a suggestion. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.